Setting the stage. Camera prep. Make sure your batteries are fully charged and check your storage space on your device. Film in 1080p, this is in your camera settings, and put your smartphone in airport mode and turn off your Wi-Fi. 1080p can be in 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. Space prep. Make sure you're in a quiet and private spot, move furniture and organize your background accordingly. Camera setup. Position camera horizontally in landscape mode. This is required. Stabilize camera with tripod or get creative with books, tables, and other things in your workspace. Make sure video image is in focus and centered.
Oh wait, it's in photo. That's it. Okay. Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
I would just be centered a little bit more.
I should move, or
you can move the camera. Yeah. So just so you're in the middle of the frame. Script and materials. Make sure your script and notes are complete and all activity materials are ready to go before you start filming. Lighting. Balanced lighting is even, not too strong from above, one side, or behind. Try to avoid shadows on faces and objects, not over or underlit. Be aware that natural lighting will change and artificial lighting can be more reliable.
Hey everyone! Today, we're going to talk about something called the weather report. Hello. Today, we are going to do something called the weather report. Yay! So with the weather report, you will get a chance to tell the child that today, not only are they going to be the wind, but they also are going to be the sun.
Balanced lighting, overlit from the side, backlit. Sound. Listen for electrical buzzing, talking, barking, loud traffic, echoes in filming location. Make sure to close windows, doors, ask for quiet and shared space, stop when loud sirens pass, film in a room without echo, and turn off buzzing electronics.
Explain to the child that today they will become the wind. You can hear the buzzing.
Okay.
But to me, it doesn't seem annoying, but you can hear it.
Can I listen?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see what the light looks like without this on.
Okay.
Well,
no, this is okay.
Okay. Fixing mistakes. Before filming, do a test run. Watch back with headphones, check for clear sound, and balanced lighting. Film everything multiple times and save each copy for review.
Hello everyone! Today we are going to do an activity called the weather report. Hello everyone! The closeness, yeah, but I got 6 times.
No, you're fine.
Okay.
I think we're good.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, because there's like people started talking. Refilm is needed for script and technical mistakes. Make sure camera location is not moved to keep continuity. Once you are done, upload footage with any relevant notes. Enjoy filming and thank you.